Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a serious topic in India which was unemployment. So today we are going to discuss about unemployment, how unemployment works in India and why the peoples or youth of India was suffering from these things who do not get the employment and what is the reason or what who is responsible for these unemployments. So first of all we have to discuss that what is unemployment. Unemployment is the phase when which a person or educated person who do not get jobs or who do not get their livelihood get jobs for their livelihood or for their basic needs. That's why India is suffering from these unemployment, a huge unemployment in India this time. If we see 5-10 years, then we can find that India is very weak to getting jobs to the youth of the India. If we know that the India is the largest youth country in which number of youth is more than any other countries. So that's why, but India is not provide employment to the youths. That's why India is suffering from unemployment, and the main reason is that the industries which was set up by the government and the India was not well defined or not well constructed for the employment. And the IT industries or any industries which provide jobs, they do not get skilled person job. They do not provide the jobs because the IT companies who the number of peoples, the number of students in the colleges are very high. If we see that the number of students, if we take example in our own college, that there is a student 400 500 in a college, and the company which was came to provide the job picked up 4 or 5 students from that. So the rest 396 95 or 390 students are rest, and they do not get proper jobs, and they work as there is a 5,000 6,000, and they do not fulfill their basic needs. That's why India is suffering from these unemployment. India have huge unemployment because the government also responsible for that, because they do not provide many vacancies like air force vacancies whose result was not come yet, and other vacancies. If we see the UP TET exam in which the paper was leaked, and the students who prepare for many years are not able to get their jobs yet. So that's why India is facing unemployment, and the main reason was that the the number of industry in India was very less. The number of companies in India was very less, which was the main reason that India is not providing jobs to the youth, because the companies was set up in India in future in past was stopped or was banned by the government of India. That's why, and they do not construct an industry or set up an industries for the unemployment. That's why the unemployment is increasing day by day in India, and it is serious problem. And after 5-10 years, the number of unemployment will increase, and the people of India have to face many problems. So the government of India have to provide jobs, provide vacancies, and set up industries so that the student can get job easily. Thank you.